Okay, so going to the trade now. Um, I think it looks pretty good setup. It's pretty good setup. So I'll start with the daily. Previous day, run through all this, invest where I haven't really read this order block. For me, I think we're going to be targeting the previous day high and then potentially pushing up and down, even on here. And if we look at like a longer term narrative, we traded up, traded quite deep into a discount, but then into a fair value gap, and in an already bullish trend. I'm expecting us to continue to rally off the back of that. 4 hours, not loads to go up. I don't think there's really anything to draw into. We've not quite inverted fair value gap. We've traded back down into, well, on the hourly, a discount. So I'm expecting price to kind of look at that and go, maybe we can go long from there. Hourly is really good. So this is kind of my analysis. I'm pretty happy with. Obviously, daily's good. 4 hours not a lot, but hourly's good. So we've been trading down, kind of just wicking about, not really doing anything. Traded into this order block and fair value gap, whilst also being within a discount. I mean, obviously, you could argue this should be drawn from here, but that's quite a distinctive swing low, and it started the run that's kind of moved up here. I'm pretty happy with that. Even without that, we've got the order block and the fair value gap, which is nice. I'm happy with that. 15-minute, not really too dissimilar. Swept out sell side here. Didn't quite trade into this fair value gap here, but yeah, I suppose you could argue this is some kind of an order block. That'll be that hourly order block that we trade into. So that's just kind of what it looks like on a lower time frame. 5-minute, good. Swept out sell side again. Filled this order block here, just about, as you can see. Rallied up. This all happening within that kind of hourly gap. Filled this fair value gap. Filled this fair value gap. Only thing is we didn't quite inverse this. I would have liked to see us inverse this, but I'm hoping that with the higher time frame being better, it should be okay. And then 1 minute, we've had this move up, so you can see. Swept out sell side here, rallied up, sold it a little bit, rallied up again. Now come back down into a discount, as well as these order blocks which we've held pretty nicely. And the fair value gap being filled. Same with that 5 minute, there's this fair value gap being filled. So as you can see, we filled it here, but then we didn't really react off of that. We've gone a bit deeper, filled this gap, and I'm hoping now we get the move up. So, yeah, I mean, that's a ridiculous take profit, risk reward. I'm not looking to do that. It'll be a partial that I'm taking. So I'll let you into kind of what I'm looking at. Got this swing high here, which I could just target, but I don't really want to set my stop any higher than it currently is in a 1.4R isn't brilliant. And then for me, our next round of liquidity is this swing high here. So I'll take a partial at this point here, probably take 60-70% around there. I think just try and secure some profits and then maybe see price run onto that other one. But yeah, I'll see where we go on. But this is I'm not going to be managing this trade. I won't be moving to break even if I'm using partials. As it can, well, I've done it before and it just confuses matters. So, well, I'll see how I get on. So, 1, 3, 6, 8, 3. Which one is our? Can I not move out of the way? 1, 6, 8. So that's full take profit. So I need to set one partial. 1, 3, 6, 7, 3, 5. And we'll take 65. I'll go 65. That seems safe. And this can go to 35. Alright, no. Right, okay. See, that's all lined up. Cool. So we go on. Obviously, quite a ridiculous looking trade this. So we'll see how we go on. I say that all the time. So it looks like we're out of this trade, but well, we'll see. I don't know. This 3 minute could hold as an order block, but we've traded through the 5 minute, and it doesn't. I don't know why we'd hold now. So yeah. has just been like chopping and consolidating quite a lot. Speed it up a little bit. It's taking its time. We are somehow back up to break even. I don't know what we've held, maybe the 3 minute, but right, so that's take profit 1 hit. I think if I move, we shouldn't trade back into here now. That's a crazy candle. Jesus. Alright, okay. Full take profit, which is that's some trade that 3 hour. So how does that work out? So that's what it's out to being around 2,000 or 2% profit off of a 3 hour with the way I've set up the partials. So yeah, that's kind of nuts. So, I mean, we were so close to getting stopped out. We must have held. We didn't even hold the 3 minute. I don't know. I think in my head it's like, I think my analysis has to be like perfectly followed, otherwise I just got lucky. Whereas in this case, I suppose you could argue this is always meant to happen. You have your analysis, and then like if you do everything right, you can expect this kind of thing to happen every now and again, and it's just part of the game. So I don't necessarily think it's always luck, but yeah, that's a pretty good trade. I've got to say. I mean, in terms of risk to reward. So yeah, any thoughts? Let me know. Otherwise, I'll catch you next one. Appreciate it.